Hi everyone. Welcome to By Learning Knowledge Dizzy. Today we'll learn the poem, A Tiger in the Zoo, by Leslie Norris, a powerful poem that shows the difference between a free tiger in the wild and a caged one. Begin. Summary. The poem, A Tiger in the Zoo, shows the difference between a tiger in the wild and a tiger in the zoo. In the wild, the tiger is free, strong, and fearless, living in his natural home. But in the zoo, he becomes silent, angry, and helpless, because he has lost his freedom and cannot behave like a real tiger anymore. Through this, the poet shows how captivity destroys the natural beauty and spirit of wild animals. Lion stanza-wise explanation. Keycap 1 stanza 1. Greater than he stalks in his vivid stripes, the few steps of his cage. The tiger moves slowly and angrily in his small cage. His beautiful stripes, vivid equals bright and clear, cannot hide his anger and helplessness. He is trapped inside the narrow cage, not in his natural home. Keycap 2 stanza 2. Greater than he should be lurking in shadow. Here the poet imagines how the tiger should have been living freely in the jungle, hiding in the tall grass and waiting silently for his prey, like deer, near the waterhole. Stanza 3. Greater than he should be snarling around houses. The tiger could have also roamed near villages, terrifying people with his roar at night. This shows his power and dominance in nature. Stanza 4. Greater than, but he's locked in a concrete cell. Back to reality, the tiger is locked inside the cage, made of concrete. He is angry, silent, and helpless. He stares at the visitors, but his strength and spirit are wasted behind the bars. Stanza 5. Greater than he hears the last voice at night. At night, the zoo becomes quiet. The tiger hears the sound of the patrolling cars outside. He cannot sleep peacefully, instead, he just stares at the stars with sadness and loneliness. In theme, the poem shows the difference between freedom and captivity. The poet wants us to feel pity for the tiger, who belongs to the wild but is imprisoned in a zoo. It's a message against animal cruelty and for wildlife conservation. Moral message. Wild animals should live freely in their natural habitats. Caging them for human entertainment is cruel and unjust. Every living being deserves freedom and respect.